Hello everybody, it's mid-August 2025, so that means it's mid-season AC cleanout. Gonna do a before and after look at this before I rinse off the coil and change the filter inside. We're coming on down, that hadn't been on too long, but I'll let it stabilize and see what our starting temperature is. So we're 59 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and shut everything down and rinse out the coil and then change the filter inside and turn everything back on. I guess we can do a startup, see what it sounded like midsummer. I now have the unit powered off. Just coasting down on the fan. Take a look at the coil. A little bit of grass here and there. It's not super hot today, but it is super humid. And then on the back side, a little bit of coating of the cottonwood and dust, stuff like that. But get that cleaned up. So on the mid-season maintenance, I simply wash down the coil. So I'll time lapse it and we'll get started. Outside's done, let's check the filter. Definitely ready. And the new one. Done. Now to mark off the index card on the door there. And that should hold up the duration of summer. Now from when I turn on the AC, the initial time could be 2 months before I turn it on full time. So that's why there's that gap there like that. So how about, let's see what it sounds like outside, turn it on. Okay, all done. Now all that's left is to power it back up and see how it's sounding midsummer. Work is done, time to plug it back in and power it up. That started up pretty nicely. Now I'll go monitor the air temp in the house. Well, looking at this thermometer, it looks like that clean out and filter change gained me a degree cooler, so in the hot summer every degree counts on the AC. So once again, midsummer maintenance on the 2021 Carrier AC system. Thank you for watching.